How to use nickel grinder. Before use, hand the anti-clearing knob to the bottom to check whether the grinding wheel rotates normally and whether the switch is closed on the left. Check whether the pressing is smooth. When everything is checked, you can start. Turn the switch to the far right. Turn on the speed adjustment. Then hold the nickel grinder to line the blade to be punched. Pull in the air pipe. Press vertically and remove. When not in use, please close it. Screw this on when not in use to prevent damage the conjunction piece. Disconnect the air source in time when not in use.